sort of a new thing that a lot of folks are going to have to tackle, right? We're going to have to let people know that the air is safe and clean. And before, the BMS and the HVAC system was predominantly just about temperature control, but now it's air quality. So that's a change and a technology adaptation that landlords are going to need to confront. The other is, people are focused on touchless tech. People don't necessarily want to touch all the buttons in the elevators, and a lot of landlords have worked towards getting destination dispatch as part of their strategy, but implementing that so that tenants are not having to touch different parts of the building is another thing that we see a lot of landlords looking at implementing and are in the process of doing it. So there are those types of technologies that COVID and the return to work will highlight. But I think the overall point that we always see is that there's all sorts of technology out there. There's all these great companies that are doing all of these things that are going to impact our buildings. And at the core, they're going to need a network connection, and they're going to need a workflow so that we can all figure out how to get them connected and where. And that's really where technology has to be kind of part of the strategy from the get-go. It's there's lots of things we can bolt on, but if we don't have a solid network at our core, then we're bolting it on and it's a shaky foundation. And I think that's sort of where the Intelligent Riser has been successful in helping our clients have a solid core, and then they can add on whatever solutions they decide.